What's in there? Stick your head through the other end, Mama.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo, Lexi.
Who's that down there, Lexi?
Hi! She's got a smile on her face.
Yeah,
You want to come on this end, Shell?
maybe.
Peekaboo! Hello! Peekaboo. Oh. Toot. Toot.
Who's that down there?
Climb through, Lexi. Yeah, that's a Benny.
Yeah. Push her in, Mom. Roll her through.
I'm going. Can I see your Benny? Oh, she doesn't want to give up the peep. You want to climb through there and see Daddy real fast? Can I hold your peep?
Because it's sweet. You're gonna make
Looky
her
here.
cry.
Go see Daddy.
Hi. Come here, Lexi. Come here, Lexi.
Hello. Go see Daddy.
Let me have that peep back. I'll show it to her on this side.
Trick her like a little mouse. Looky there. Go get it.
What is that?
Now she's doing the splits. Your milk down here too. There's your milk. Oh. Yeah, this is too sweet. I just got a little bite of it. It's too sweet for me. You just wanted some milky.
Okay.
Oh, crash. Yeah, it's like your Easter basket all over again. Yeah, that's a bouncy ball. Oh boy. There it goes. Oh gosh. Whoa. Trying to get her face. Uh-oh, did it go underneath the couch? Maybe Dada will get it. Oops. On that side, I think, maybe. Whoa! Can she eat those?
A little late to ask.
Well, I know she likes to shake things.
We got enough now.
Okay, just a minute. Feels good? Chocolate. 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 Like these first M&Ms. Okay, here's Lexi Easter. Easter dress. Whoops. It's got. Oops. Whoops.
What you doing? Pushing her around?
No, I didn't push her.
Making her pose?
No, she fell on her blanket. I'm
let
just
her
trying
be.
to show the little flowers.
Just let her be.
I didn't touch her. Oh, she's standing on her dress.
Yeah, she's crying.
Ooh, there. Yeah. Here's your milk. Here. You hold it. And there's Daddy. He's wearing a pink shirt this morning. I'm so happy.
By request.
Yes, by request. And here we'll go in the bathroom. I'll show you what I look like. Okay, maybe Dad Chow will film me. Can you film me with like, oh, in a minute.
As soon as I
put my
finish putting
shoe.
on my shoe. You making a movie?
Well, yes. Lexi likes to go too. Lexi, can you say shoes? Where's your nose?
No.
What else?
Pretty strong.
No.
Dog. Okay, you ready to go, Mama?
Yeah, just film me.
You want to walk down the hallway, or what do you want to do?
I just want to hold this little girl with her little dress. Wave to the camera. Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada.
Kind of dark from this side. You want to turn?
Oh. How about this?
That's better.
Say hi, Dada.
Da.
Okay. Okay. All right, so we're ready to go to church. Bye-bye. You can hit the off button.
Oh, okay. You want me to film you? Something?
Okay.
Say something funny to the camera.
Stop it, Chow. Look at Lexi.
Huh?
Film Lexi.
We got enough on her. You wanna, what do you mean? I thought you wanted to be on camera.
Just for once.
Just for once? Oh, okay.